morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Civics Unit 4 India's Foreign Policy, and then let us see about the heading is India's Foreign Policy during the Cold War era. The Cold War era is the second and third base. It includes the second and third base. Second base is during the time 1962 to 1971. Third base is 1971 to 1991. Then 1962 and 1965 we are not expected the war of the India China and India Pakistan war, because we are in the concentrate in the economical level. 1971 Pakistan US China axis were came up, so India feel isolation, so align with any one country, so that the peace treaty was signed, peace friendship treaty was signed with Soviet Union in 1971, the 20-year pact. Then India embarked the substantial program of military modernization in India 1974. The first nuclear test at Pokhran is under subterranean nuclear explosion project. Because why they conducted the nuclear test? Because the neighbor country of China in 1964, the nuclear test was conducted at Laughnar. So we want to be nuclear test conducted is must. At the time, how is conducted the nuclear test? The nuclear test conducted with the help of RA. RA, who is RA? RA means Research Analyze Wing. It is the RA. The Prime Minister of India created the organization. It is a secret organization. The members are direct contact with the Prime Minister. No intermediators. Okay, next one. The changing global conditions determine the foreign policy details. In India, foreign policy was based on certain well-defined principles. These principles are not mere idealistic but pragmatic too. Next one. Next topic is we are see about new developments in 1990s and the 20th century. The 1991 to 1999 is the fourth base of the foreign policy. It is a unipolar base because of the Soviet Union was at the time broke out in 1990. The China was not quite well, so the challenge to retain India's strategic autonomy in unipolar world. At the time, India upgraded Israel. In 1998, carried out Pokhran II. It led very angry America. India able to take risk in the time. Okay, now see in detail. During the 1990, along with the fall of the Soviet Union, a new global economic order was existed or emerged with the support of the Western power, that is called the LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. The unipolar world means the Soviet Russia and USA, the two already first we see about the bipolar world. Now we see about unipolar world means only one country assists the world, that is the USA, because of the Soviet Union broke out. So the USA emerging new economic order compelled the nations including India so to revise their foreign and economic policies. India entered into pact with Global Economic Forum, got, and then entered into a bilateral, trilateral, multilateral agreement. The shift in India's policy manifested in various ways, such as better relation with China, the Lookist policy in 1992. We are detail about the Lookist policy.